How's it going, everybody? I am not sure if I'm going to end up posting this, but life comes at you fast, and so I had a really great opportunity to show up and demonstrate what it looks like to receive effective allyship. Because something that happened, something that I've learned through the last few months of this work is that unless you can receive effective allyship, you can't be effective ally to other people. So, yeah, I'm going to do this practicing in public thing and let you in on some facts about my life. I'm currently in Portland, Oregon, and I've been driving across the country this winter. Mostly I'm based in Wichita, Kansas, but it was cold. I didn't want to be cold. I bought a camper van in September and was very excited driving it around and decided to engage in West Coast winter and was traveling through the desert, not through California. Made it to Portland, stayed with a friend, and then overnight my van got stolen. So I'm currently in the process, also while repping this Kickstarter, of seeing if I can get the van back, along with all of my belongings that I put in there to survive the West Coast winter. And I went back and forth on telling people this because I didn't want to break the coherence of my brand, but I just released a video saying that like being a good ally and being an effective ally, being good is all about maintaining your self-image, and here I am sitting around trying to maintain a self-image of someone for whom things don't happen, for whom doesn't need any help or is not necessary to be receiving any sort of allyship, which is shenanigans. I'm a human person, and authenticity is something. I was talking with a friend, Marina, the other day about how authenticity in this process and living that life open and transparent and honest is a really great way to do it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know what it looks like. This is, I guess, a challenge to everyone. I don't actually know how to receive allyship in this moment. Don't really know what I need. Don't really know what the future can sort of look like. And as I look back on the allyship practices that I have done for my own clients, people in my life that I help, your boy loves helping. That's how you get into a career like this. Sometimes the greatest allyship that you can do is to help someone start imagining a new future for themselves, giving them sort of coherence to their thoughts, finding out what you would enjoy offering in their time of struggle, so that the performance of your allyship isn't just about ameliorating your own feelings, but that it's actually a way to practice how we want to be shown up for, how we want to show up for other people, and truly how we want to do it. And I asked my friend Sophie this morning, like, okay, how do I want to deal with this? I'm like, well, I want to deal with it like I promised myself I'd deal with everything, in fun and ease and in authenticity. So the full range of feelings get to happen, but I get to choose to come back to fun and ease. And weirdly, teaching, helping, being a leader, all this like weird stuff, I like it. I like the feeling of being able to do something with the cards that life has handed me, because that's what effective allyship is it's not predicting the future. It's not even really much of changing anything, but showing up in presence, showing up with fun, ease, play to actually help people out. So I guess this is me saying, help, hi, who wants to practice their effective allyship on me, your boy? We'll jam. My DMs are open. We can talk about what that looks like. I have no idea what it is. Again, maybe this does get posted. I think it will. Even as I've talked myself into it, this feels like a good way to show up to folks. So here I am. Let's keep jamming.